Hey everyone! Welcome back to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a 3-lever clamp in SolidWorks. A simple but clever design that allows one cylinder to clamp 3 workpieces at the same time. It's a great idea for optimizing your production setup. Let's start by taking a quick look at how this clamp works. You can also download the 3D model from the link at the end of the video. Now let's go through the main components. The cylinder is mounted on a base plate using 4 bolts. On the cylinder's rod, we attach a bushing with 3 slots, secured with a single bolt. Next, we insert an arm into one of the slots and lock it in place with a pin. 2 connecting linkages are added, one attaches to the arm and the other connects to the base plate. Then we add 2 more pins. After this, we install a clamping sleeve on the lever, which will hold the workpiece. Repeat the same setup for the remaining 2 slots, and your 3-arm clamp is ready. Thanks for watching. 3D model link in description. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our weekly SolidWorks tutorials. See you in the next video.